Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, April 24th, 2017. It's currently 10:14 a.m. Oh, sorry, 10:15 a.m. And it's kind of cloudy out there, especially from New York City on south, as precipitation starts to build into the region. And of course, that precipitation will be rainfall. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 50s over much of the region as warm air builds into the region, but it is going to be one of those days that's going to be a bit unsettled as we have a rainstorm setting up. Showers today, heavy rainfall tomorrow, and a few lingering showers on Wednesday. When you take a look at the radar, you can see some of those showers starting to build in. Now, a lot of this is what we call virga, which is basically dry air at the mid or lower levels preventing the rainfall from reaching the ground. But this will slowly give way, and as a result, we'll see scattered showers on and off. Not a complete washout today, but certainly a bit of a nuisance, becoming more widespread as you head towards the evening hours. And in this area, rainfall down here and also off the southeast coast will pivot into the region starting tomorrow morning on through tomorrow evening, with some moderate to heavy rainfall and some tropical thunderstorms built into this rainfall, leading to some very impressive heavy downpours in a few isolated locations. So definitely a wet day on the way for tomorrow, and temperatures will reflect that with highs only in the mid-50s throughout the region. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see the separation between a area of tropical moisture that's off the southeast coast with a weak trough, and then we have our strong upper level low over the southeast and Tennessee River Valley, with an area of low pressure developing in the Tennessee River Valley. What will happen is that these two areas will basically combine and produce an area of low pressure off the southeast coast around North Carolina that will track towards the New Jersey coastal waters and out into the Atlantic. As it's doing so, it will produce strong easterly winds, looking at winds anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour along the coast, with gusts over 30 miles per hour, and also, of course, heavy rainfall, basically your traditional nor'easter. With that potential, there's also going to be a threat for some localized flash flooding of urban areas, poor draining areas, for example, and some small streams and rivers. There will also be the threat for some minor coastal flooding, but we're not looking for too much of an impact on that front. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, showers will develop throughout the region. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s throughout the region. Of course, if you're on the coast, it'll be cooler with that easterly wind in place. For tonight, showers will become widespread, and by tomorrow morning, periods of rain can be expected, lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Throughout the day on Tuesday, periods of moderate to heavy rain can be expected, with temperatures rising into the lower to mid-50s throughout the region. By the time we get to Wednesday morning, that low pressure system will start to slowly pull away. Look for showers lingering in the morning, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon. Temperatures on Wednesday will range from the lower to mid-50s for lows and mid to upper 60s for highs. On Thursday, we get a break from all this rainfall with scattered cloud cover expected and a nice southwesterly to westerly wind, and you'll notice a difference in the temperatures with highs in the mid-50s for lows and lower to mid-70s for highs. On Friday, cold front comes through. Not all that impressive as far as precipitation is expected, a few isolated widely scattered showers, but it is going to set up an interesting dynamic in temperatures. Ahead of the cold front on Friday, temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows and mid to upper 70s for highs, mid to upper 60s on Long Island with the influence from the Atlantic Ocean. On Saturday, though, that cold front basically stalls right over the region. There'll be a threat for widely scattered showers, not looking like a washout, but certainly a bit of a pest on Saturday. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows throughout the region. But to the south of this cold front, temperatures will spike into the upper 70s to mid-80s. To the north of the front, wherever it happens to set up, at this point it looks like northeastern Pennsylvania, northern and central New Jersey, Long Island, Connecticut, New York City Metro, Hudson River Valley. That's where temperatures will range from the lower to mid-70s. Still warm, but certainly nowhere near as warm as the 80s. This frontal boundary will weave and waver over the region through Sunday with the threat for showers, temperatures ranging from the lower to mid-60s for lows, high temperatures in the mid-70s to lower 80s, again, depending on where this frontal boundary actually sets up. By the time we get to Monday, that frontal boundary lifts well to the north as a warm front, a few lingering showers, followed by a nice southwesterly wind. Temperatures will range from the lower 60s for lows and upper 70s to mid 80s for highs throughout the region. Again, with this southwesterly flow, looks like the south side of Long Island will remain cooler than the rest of the region. The overall theme here is that this frontal boundary is going to be wavering around from Friday on through Sunday, and although we'll have above normal temperatures, we'll also have the threat for showers throughout the forecast period. And then watch the movement of this cold front as we move in towards early next week. Let's say Monday night on through Tuesday. I'm keeping a careful eye on this cold front because you're going to have a very warm, unstable air mass ahead of this frontal boundary. And then with this cold front moving through with strong upper level support, it could mean the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms somewhere around Monday afternoon on through Tuesday, depending on the timing of this cold front. After that, well, we fall right back to near to slightly below normal temperatures with a strong influence from the Atlantic Ocean. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.